Here we need to understand these counting types of problem. Counting types of problem in number system, we can see there are some types of problem wherever counting is very important. What is the mode of counting? Counting means if I want to find it out in a specific way, the numbers has been placed and I want to count it properly. Like if I say a person going on writing natural numbers side by side, 1, 2, 3, in this way it is going on. And I want to find it out what is 100th digit. If this way it has been written, that means natural numbers one after the other it is writing by this way, and I want to find the 100th digits. You know that initial nine numbers are single digit number. Single, how we can count it? Single digits number, how many? 9. So how many places they will occupy? 9 places. After that, double digit number, two digit number, two digits number, how many? Two digit number, how many I will write to get the 100th digit, that is important. But total how many two digit numbers are possible? It is 9. It would be 90. 90 means there will be 180 number of digits they will occupy. But 100 digit, so 9 digits already written. So what I need to write, how many two digits number I have to write, so that the places it should be, how much it would occupy? 100 minus 9, that means 91 places I need to occupy. But 91 places two digit number it would not be. How many two digit number? If I write 45 two digit number, so 45 into 2, which would be nothing but 90 number of digits it would consider, plus 1, plus 1 digit. Now our target is to find it out as 45 45th two digit number is what that has been completed, and then one digit. What is 45th two digit number? That I need to know. I know first two digit number, two digits number is equal to 10. Similarly, second two digit number is equal to 11. So nth two digit number will be what? 10 plus n minus 1, because second two digit number is 10 plus 2 minus 1, 11. So this way I need to write. That means my 45th, my requirement is what? 45th. 45th two digit number will be what? 10 plus 45 minus 1. That should be nothing but 55 minus 1, 54. So last two digit number it has been written 54. And after that one digit, means in this way it is going on, it would be 53, then 54 written, then one digit it would write. And what is that one digit? I should start writing 5. And that 5 is the 100 digit number. 5 is the 100 digit. So, my answer for the question, what is the 100 digit? That should be equal to 5. This way, we need to visualize and we need to identify the counting part. There are lots of different kinds of counting problem present. We need to identify count the what type of counting it is. It is basically the place finding type of counting. Again, another example, if I take it out as for counting. Now, one more type of counting, wherever any specific digit appear how many time? Any specific digit appear how many times? This is a type of question. We will try to identify this type example wise. Let from 143 till 352, how many 5 written? If I write how many 5 written, if I if any student is writing all of the numbers from 143 till 352, then how many times 5 has been written? It is a type of counting, and we need to know the proper process to find it, this particular counting. Now if I want to get the proper process, one important part that we need to know, it is a specific digit, any specific digit, if it is 100 consecutive numbers I have considered, for 100 consecutive natural numbers, any specific digit appear 10 times in unit place, 10 times in 10th place. So this way, if I am not considering the 100 place, any specific digit will be appeared 20 times, considering unit and 10th place. Now this concept I need to elaborate. 143 till 342, if I consider this is a group of 200 numbers, this group of 200 number, if I consider unit plus 10th place, these two places, any digit will be present 20 into 2, that means 40 times. So 5 will be also present within this category. From 143 to 342, 5 will be present 40 times within this group. 20 20, because 200. Now after 342, just we need to go up to 352. So basically 343 till 352, how many 5 present? Separately we can count it out. 45 1, then next is 51, 51 1, 52 1, another 4. So my answer will be 44. 44 times 5 present. So this way, a counting and specific counting is nothing but group of 10 number, group of 100 number, group of 1000 number, in this way. In the similar manner of 100, if I check it out, I can also say for a consecutive group of 1000 natural numbers, 1000 natural numbers, any digit, any specific digit, place wise we will break unit plus 10th place. If I take unit place and 10th place, so unit place, it would be for 100 group, unit and 10th place taken together, it should be 20 for 100 group. For 1000, it would be 20 into 10, that means 200. 200 times it would be present. And then 1000 place, 1000 place, because I have taken 1000 natural numbers, so in 1000 place every digit will be appearing for 100 times, so it should be 100 times. So taken unit place, 10th place and 1000, not 1000, 100 place, 100 place, 100 place, taken these three, it should be 300 times. I cannot say for 100,000 place. 1000 place is not possible to identify, but other three places I'll be able to find, and it would be 300 time it is appearing. This way we can elaborate for bigger group of number counting as well. But counting of number is important in number system.